Assam University di campus along kacali bom ari soe jangatum GT ni phai engkora priya ni ada por phai kresia por pen ingdeng krehini Varsity Week amen pen di purong sopialong cultural rally kapeman pona birta nangle. Assam University di campus Students Union atum pen patra piponsi ingdeng krehini Varsity Week kapachathangjia phanpura AUSD sialong Charlie Bom ari soe jangatum methanga khe apindeng chingthangsi dipu rusem sonsing ingti chikimo amil birialong pen pangcheng ponsi dipu ahiti arjon armukache jenga sai padopon. Labangso a cultural rally along Assam University di campus along Than Bangatup lapen AUSDC along Political Science Department, History Department, Anthropology, Life Science pen Chenglok Department Kepen Bang Pharohini Sosiatum Chingrumsi labangso asai deng ponopose Assam University di campus Students Union Amepu Sarha Bekro lapen Kongchun Bang Samson ingtiatum pen Pachinipo.
So my mate Varsity Week engre hini Assam University di campus Varsity Week along to my kamre so rally na kamre pare tum meeting sam perfect si aprang si pini nitum na bang so my ke deng bang ke la dak Assam University di campus dak Charlie university student tum do ante apne man tum dak bang ke kapre khai tum se me topik sini tum pini bang ke la Varsity Week so cultural rally made competition made deng kondo si ladak itu department gap tu kado kawe na pete teaching staff kum kado kawe kita mendo si daga bangken tu department captain itu betong bang baru ini sese almudo ini referee bilang itu si itu tumlah Varsity Week cultural rally ki di pona bangke mane dak culture mithanga pending sumpo na high sta metum job great pon na example pon nai locatory long sta me tum mithanga pending mithanga khai mithanga lameki te mithanga ati thang la hal te me chiting ni ne ko lam pen so amuto en konsul tum te ta Varsity Week long culture rally ban tum kamai deng bang
era kon di tum dalang tum culture study long ko to kan tu di tum organize culture rally aben
lalu tuh kita department masih di mana?
Tapi di English department do, Hindi department do, Commerce department, Life Science department, Political Science, Anthropology department, and History, Geography department. Lapuan lo itu.